Alright, you all, here's part 3 now. You know that air conditioner had burnt out this morning. We finally got through with it. Got it charged up beautifully, running quiet, no rattles, no nothing, just running. Cooling the house down. Yep. If y'all can hear it running. Yep. Guy sold me a pretty good unit. I don't buy them from one place usually. That's over in Memphis. Because they usually pull stuff that's really running good. You can see I got my field piece gauges on now. Got my clamps on. You can see it says PSIG 50.3. Yep. Clamp probe temperature here, y'all. This is just the temperature. So we got TXV inside, so we are charging by superheat. So not super cool. Superheat. Good head pressure. 157.2. That's good head pressure. 417. Running good, ain't it? Line. Again, ooh, Lord, that's good and cold. Yep. I didn't have no leaks so far. Pressure tested very good. Waited a long period of time out the vacuum. See, would I have a vacuum drop? I didn't. So y'all, this turned out very well. Meant to get ready to get out of here. Like I said, this is part 3, the last chapter of it. I'm gonna let that live. I think she's gonna be very happy with this. You know, the TXV is kind of regulating down, up and down pretty good. Well, y'all, like I said, this was another day here. Gonna get ready to clean up, put everything back on the van where it belongs. Shit all those, go home. I earned a package of noodles today. Take me a shower, go to bed. No, I ain't. I'm going to watch the 10 o'clock news to see what's going on. Well, anyway, y'all, I appreciate y'all watching my YouTube channel. And every time I get a chance to post some of these things, I will. But y'all, like I said, this air conditioner work is just, it's getting so far out of hand. I tell you, it's just getting so high. There's nothing I can do, but I just feel for some of the people that may can't afford it. I was thinking about signing up with a finance company, but I ain't gonna do that. Because what a finance company would do, they would finance my customers when they need to be, a unit need to be replaced. They would pay me up front. Then I would come replace the customer unit. But I don't know. Somebody asked me the other day, you take credit cards? Nah, I ain't set up like that yet. I'll think about it some more. Well, y'all, be careful out there and stay out of most crowded places, like I said, if you can. If you happen to go to West Memphis, anywhere there you got to be in a crowd, always keep yourself armed. Have something on you. Don't just walk in there and look it all around, ain't paying attention, look it all on your cell phone. I put my cell phone up. I'm noticing people. And I'm always on, so I try to tell my daughter things, stay armed. I don't care where you're going. Just going to out there to chop a weed down. Put your pistol on. Or you know who out there in them weeds. Okay, y'all. Until the next time, S&E Appliance will talk to y'all later. And I hope everybody that ever needs to stay running don't be out of too much money this year. Until then, I'll see you later.